Welcome to HomePan TriPro, where we dive deep into the kitchen gadgets that make your culinary life easier. Today, we're unwrapping the GreenPan 17-piece non-stick Swift cookware set, a comprehensive collection promising both health and performance. Let's see if this gray ensemble lives up to the hype. Right out of the box, the sheer number of pieces is impressive. This 17-piece set aims to be your all-in-one solution. It includes a variety of pans to cover almost any cooking task. We're talking about 2 frying pans, an 11-inch fry pan with a lid, 2 saucepans with lids, a sauté pan with a lid, a large stockpot with a lid, another smaller stockpot with a lid, a compact 5.5-inch mini egg pan perfect for single servings, an 11-inch square griddle for those breakfast rushes, and even a stainless steel steamer. It's a robust collection designed to equip a kitchen from scratch or to upgrade existing cookware. A major selling point for GreenPan, and this set is no exception, is its healthy ceramic non-stick coating. They emphasize that it's PFAS-free, which is a significant consideration for many home cooks looking to avoid potentially harmful chemicals. This toxin-free approach means you can cook with confidence, knowing that your food release is not only effortless but also safer for you and your family. The Thermalin ceramic non-stick coating, as described, is designed for healthier meals. The construction of these pans is noteworthy. They feature a heavy-gauge aluminum body, which is known for its excellent heat conduction. This means the pans should heat up relatively quickly and evenly across the surface. This is crucial for consistent cooking results, preventing hot spots that can lead to burnt food. Now, let's talk about versatility. The GreenPan Swift set is built for oven cooking. They are oven and broiler safe up to an impressive 600 degrees Fahrenheit. This is fantastic for recipes that require searing on the stovetop and then finishing in the oven, or for broiling. However, there's a key limitation here: they are not suitable for induction stovetops. So, if you have an induction cooktop, this set won't be compatible. They are, however, suitable for all other common stovetops. Durability is another aspect GreenPan highlights with its diamond-infused surface. This ceramic coating is reinforced with diamonds, which they claim adds extreme toughness and excellent scratch resistance. This is a big deal for non-stick cookware, as scratches can compromise the non-stick properties and the longevity of the pan. Pro-level performance is the goal, and this diamond reinforcement aims to deliver just that. The handles on these pans are made from mirror-polished stainless steel. They are riveted for strength, which is a good sign of a well-built pan. The shape is designed for a secure and comfortable grip, which is essential when you're maneuvering hot pans around the kitchen. The description also mentions handy pouring rims, which are a thoughtful addition for reducing mess when transferring liquids or sauces. Looking at the description more closely, it mentions the stainless steel gold tone handle adds shine and stability. This adds a touch of elegance to the utilitarian nature of cookware. It also reiterates that the set is oven safe up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit in one part of the description and up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit in another. This slight discrepancy is something to be aware of, though 600°F is generally considered the upper limit for most oven-safe cookware. For most typical oven finishing tasks, 350°F is perfectly adequate, but it's worth noting the higher stated capacity. So, let's break down the pros and cons of the GreenPan 17-piece non-stick Swift cookware set. On the positive side, the sheer number of pieces is a major advantage. This set offers incredible value for its comprehensiveness, providing almost everything a home cook would need. The PFAS-free ceramic non-stick coating is a huge win for those prioritizing healthy cooking. The diamond-reinforced surface promises enhanced durability and scratch resistance, which could lead to a longer lifespan for the pans. The heavy-gauge aluminum construction for good heat distribution is also a significant plus. The oven and broiler safety up to 600°F offers excellent flexibility for various cooking methods. However, there are a couple of downsides to consider. The most prominent is the incompatibility with induction stovetops. This immediately disqualifies a segment of potential buyers. While the description mentions oven safety up to 350 F and then later 600 F, this slight inconsistency could be confusing. It would be beneficial to clarify the definitive maximum oven temperature. Also, while the stainless steel handles are robust, they can get hot during stovetop cooking, so using pot holders or oven mitts will be necessary. In conclusion, the GreenPan 17-piece non-stick Swift cookware set is a very compelling option for those looking for a complete, healthy, and durable cookware solution, provided you don't have an induction stovetop. Its extensive collection of pans, commitment to PFAS-free non-stick, and robust construction make it a strong contender for upgrading your kitchen or outfitting a new one. The diamond reinforcement is a promising feature for longevity. Link in the description.